What is going on, everybody? We are back at Antioch Speedway. It is 148 degrees out. Not really, it's like 102, but it's hot. And starting the races a little bit later tonight. And we got here a little bit earlier than we usually do because we like to torture ourselves. There is the racetrack. I'm sure you've all seen it before with the awesome American flag grandstands. All right, walking back to my pit area. We don't race probably for another like 4 hours, so we're gonna sit over and be tortured in the sun, hopefully get the AC going on the trailer. But anyway, if you've seen our videos before, consider hitting that like button and drop a comment below. Let me know what your hometown track is, what your favorite racetrack is. I appreciate to see those comments. So anyway, stay tuned to the video. All right, here is our spot. And we got this thing covered because, like I said, it's blazing balls out here. So no roof on the car. Got some new numbers, nice and shiny. All right, guys, doubling back on that question I asked you guys to leave a comment. So my favorite track, probably the one I would like to go to, is Marshalltown. That's pretty badass races they put on there. And then my home track, either Placerville or Marysville, but definitely raced Placerville a ton. Started my career there and ran there for first 10 years. So anyway, drop a comment below, let me know yours. nothing to get me into the corner. And then it's like, when I get traction, coming off like 2, then it just goes, "Buh."
What you doing, babe?
Shortening the chain.
Shorting the chain? Uncle Dan, what you doing?
We're going to change the jets in it, see if we can't find some power. That's what. Babe, grab me that nut driver. Oh, yeah. We can use that gear bottle for gas.
What?
We can use that gear bottle to put the gas in. The gear bottle. We can use that to put gas in.
Hey, bring in the driver to help me do the cooling system.
Changing the gears.
Me and Mary.
Alright, sorry I haven't been on the video too much, but we've been just busting ass all freaking day. So we had the motor pretty much rebuilt over the week there before the race because we lost some oil pressure. So now it seems to be running really good, except when I need it. So like going down the straightaway, I'm just losing. It's just not pulling anymore. So we're trying to, we're throwing the book at it and trying everything. So I made another gear change. And then he's messing with the carburetor, but the motor, under idle sounds fine. So we think it might be running out of fuel or something. So I don't know. Frustrating night, frustrating couple weeks for sure. So we start 7th, missed the redraw, and we should be rolling out here. There's the track there. Should be rolling out here probably in about a half hour. We got wingless and then hardtops and dwarf. So anyway, wish us luck. So we thought the track was going to be completely dry slick, and they just did this. We're not going to make any real changes. I think our car kind of is set up better for this kind of track, but we got 2 more divisions running. They may just blow it off as hot as it is, so I don't know. I really hope we have a good night. Starting 7th, kind of in the pigeonhole, kind of gonna have to mind my P's and Q's. there you have it. Car is in one piece. Didn't touch anybody. Went from 7th to 5th before the green, so that was pretty awesome. And then got past Matt McKelly, who I'm battling for the points with on like lap 3, and I just needed a yellow. I was pacing myself. I know I had a pretty big lead on Matt. And then Slaney got the memo where I was running in 1 and 2 and dipped down there, and yeah, we were about the same speed. So I just cut my losses, went home with 4th place, and we came in with a 3-point lead in the championship, and we're leaving with 3. So we still got to load the car. Got about a 2-hour drive home and another hour and a half drive home from there. So anyway, thanks for sticking it out. It was a terrible, horrible, sweat-filled night, and we made it through. So top 5, 4th place. Obviously we want to do better, but all considering all the trouble we had, pretty happy with it. So anyway, smash that like button, comment if you can. Like I said, where your home track is, where your favorite track is that you want to go, and subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you next time. Until then, peace.